Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 6th, 2022. The first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test number 2 because the first one I have solved already, and this will be, by the way, in this newspaper there's no extra puzzles, no additional, and this will be number 4512. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 4 star for 4 stars. I need 30 minutes or more. But it's a speed test. Alright, so let's get started. 1 minute is already passed. Okay. Let me scan. 3, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 9. Okay. 4 should be here. 5, 9, 4, 4, 6, 2, and 4, 2, 4. Yes. A pair. 6, 9, 6 and 9, 9, 6 and 9, 6. Then 5, 1, 8, 3. 3, 8, 6, 5, 5, 9, 9, all the nines. Okay. 8 and a 4, 4 and 8, 5, 2, 7, okay. 6. 2, 6. 7 should be here. 1 and 3. This should be the 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 8, 1. 8, 1 and a 3. 8, 3. Okay. 1 and a 3. 3, 2, 3 and a 8. 3, 8. Come on. 3. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 6. Here gonna be 6. There should be 6. Okay. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 3. 1 and the 2. 1 and 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Here should be the 1. 2 3 4 5 and the 7. 7 and 5. Oh. 5 5 5 2 4 1 1 4 4. Here. Oh, we already have a 4 here, so this should be a 2. This should be a 4. So 2 2 2 1 and the 8. 1 and the 2 should be here. 2 2 2 2 2 2. Come on, come on, come on. 2 2 7 1 1 2 3 and 8. 3 8. We have a pair. So this should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 should be here, and the 7 should be here. 3 and 8. 3 8. The 2 should be there. Okay. 5 4 4 4. 3 3 3 3. 8 8. Here cannot be an 8. There should be an 8. So the 2 should be there. We have an 8 here. This should be a 3 8 3. This should be an 8. This should be a 3 7 1. This should be 1 6 and 1. 2 7 2 7. 7 7 7 1 and 6. 6 6 6 2 and 3. Yes, finish in 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Okay, mine is 1 6 minutes. Okay, let me check if this is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Correct. All right. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Forgot the previous one. Anyway, we have here the 1, the 6, the 2, 1 6 2, 2 1 4, 2 1 4, and 9 2 7 9 2 7. We have a triple pair of the 2 and the 1 as a pair. 2 pairs, but with 1 triple pair. Alright, thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Alright, thank you. Bye bye for now.